this.
That's not what I meant.
We actually gonna create this sneeze using these cotton swabs. We're gonna put it inside this.
Oh no, that brings back memories. No one likes that. Don't close your eyes.
No, why are you going so inside? It's a COVID test.
Because that's how I'm gonna create the sneeze.
All right, don't close your eyes. You're already closing your eyes. You already lost.
I'm waiting for the sneeze to come and then I'm gonna open my eyes.
Wait.
It's coming.
That was like a cough, sneeze, combined together. What was that?
It's called a knees.
He said a knees. Are you okay?
A knees.
That was funny.
Did you fart? What are you doing?
What? Oh my gosh.
It's called a backflip.